Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V was recently announced alongside the Xperia 10 Mark V, and fans are eagerly waiting for its release. The pre-orders have already begun, while the availability is expected to start from the end of June, similar to last year's model. But let's talk about what really matters, the price tag. Now we all know that Sony's Xperia devices have never been cheap, and the Xperia 1 V is no exception. As Sony's super flagship model, it competes with the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In fact, the previous model Xperia 1 IV was even more expensive than the S23 Ultra. So brace yourselves, the Xperia 1 Mark V is projected to start at around £1,299 in the UK. That said, Sony is cushioning the blow a bit by throwing in a pair of Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones with UK pre-orders. And in the US, it's $1,400 with the added benefit of LinkBuds wireless earbuds and a $50 coupon. Moving on to the design, the Xperia 1 V follows a familiar path. It bears a striking resemblance to its predecessor, continuing the tall and narrow form factor with flat edges that Sony has adopted since the first iteration of the Xperia 1. You will find a fingerprint sensor on the side rather than under the display, and a discrete pill-shaped camera housing in the top left corner of the rear. Sony has really nailed down its signature design. Oh, and let's not forget about the features we have grown to love. The Xperia 1 V maintains the 3.5mm headphone jack, a rare sight in flagship smartphones nowadays. And yes, Xperia fans, the dedicated camera shutter button is here to stay. Plus, we have got the IP6568 water and dust resistance, perfect for those accidental slips and spills. With color options like black, silver platinum and khaki green, you can definitely find a style that suits you. Alright, let's shift our attention to the display, the window to all things amazing on the Xperia 1 Mark V. The 6.5-inch OLED display remains the same size as its predecessor, providing that tall and immersive 21:9 aspect ratio we have come to expect from Sony Xperia devices. With slim bezels at the top and bottom, Xperia 1 V boasts a 4K resolution perfect for watching Ultra HD movies and enjoying HDR content. And don't forget about 120Hz refresh rate. Now let's talk about the powerful hardware that drives this beauty. Sony has maintained its partnership with Qualcomm, equipping the Xperia 1 V with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This phone is a performance beast. And here's something rare in the today's flagship smartphones, microSD card support up to a staggering 1TB. That's plenty of room for all your photos, videos and files. The Xperia 1 V houses a robust 5000 mAh battery, the same capacity as its predecessor. This means you can expect a day's worth of usage without breaking a sweat. And when it's time to recharge, you will be pleased to know that it supports 30W fast charging and wireless charging. Moving on to some audio goodies, the Xperia 1 V comes packed with technologies like DSEE Ultimate, 360 Reality Audio and 360 Reality Audio Upmix. But that's not all. They have also included a feature called Music Pro, designed specifically for recording artists, and stereo speakers that offer a full stage experience. Trust me, your ears will thank you. And now let's talk about the star of the show, the cameras. The Xperia 1 V boasts a triple camera setup on the rear, with lenses that photographers and enthusiasts will appreciate. Sony loves to refer to their cameras in photography terms, and this time is no different. We have a 16mm ultra-wide-angle lens, a 24mm lens and an 85-125mm lens for those zoomed-in shots. These lenses have proven their worth in previous Xperia models, and they are here to deliver impressive results once again. But wait, there's more. The Xperia 1 V introduced a brand new sensor called XMOD-T for mobile. This tagged CMOS sensor separates the photodiode and transistor layers, resulting in reduced noise and improved low-light performance. With a 48MP effective area and switching aspect between still and video capture, the Xperia 1 V is sure to capture stunning photos in any lighting conditions. Of course, Sony hasn't forgotten about the software side of things. The Xperia 1 V continues to offer a plethora of manual controls, taking inspiration from Sony's Alpha cameras. Features like high-speed burst shooting and real-time eye autofocus ensures that you never miss a moment, while providing you with the tools to unleash your creativity. And that wraps up our sneak peek into the Sony Xperia 1 V. With its familiar yet refined design, breathtaking display, powerful hardware and impressive camera system, This flagship device is undoubtedly one to watch out for. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay in the loop with all things tech. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care.